Hey guys, Matt Marzillo here. In this video, we're going to be going over a function or formula called Hlookup. And Hlookup is essentially the same thing or very similar to VLOOKUP, except it looks it up horizontally, right? So instead of using a range that consists of multiple columns, we're looking at a range that consists of multiple rows. In my experience, VLOOKUP is used a lot more often than Hlookup, but Hlookup is certainly a tool that's important to know and something that will or could be on tests or homework assignments in this course. So what we have here is we have some values that we want to complete, right? We have our company name, our company address, and our company phone. And we have that sitting down here in another sheet, the Hlookup reference sheet. So we have our company name, company address, and our company phone, right? It's the exact same headers. We actually have the information that we want to fill into those cells on our working sheet. So let's go back to our employee sheet. So you can see it's essentially the VLOOKUP except flipped, right? So we're gonna click in cell J2 here. Type in equals Hlookup, open the parentheses, and our lookup value here is going to be our company name. Then we're going to hit comma, right? And after lookup value, we always go to our reference sheet, and we're going to click on Hlookup reference. And instead of clicking on a range of columns, we're going to click on a range of rows. So we're going to click 1 and 2, let go. So our range consists of rows 1 through 2, comma, and then we're going to index 2, right? We want to pull over the information that's sitting in row 2. And again, like with VLOOKUP, we're going to type in false for the exact match. Perfect. It does exactly what we want it to do. It's filling in our company name, and if we pull this over to the right, the relative referencing is working, right? So it's instead of looking at J1 for our reference, it's looking at K1 for our, I should say our lookup value. So instead of looking at J1 as our lookup value, it's looking at K1 for our lookup value and L1 for our lookup value if I pull it over to the company phone header. So that's pretty much, that's Hlookup in a nutshell. Again, pulling it over left to right works pretty good. You probably don't want to pull a formula down vertically, kind of opposite of VLOOKUP. Also, if you're going to use Hlookup, once you're done with it, make sure you copy and paste values. That's an important tip for the real world. I have to stress that, but that with our class, you're going to want to leave the formulas in there. Our examples are very small. We're not working with huge Excel documents, so it shouldn't slow things down, and I need to be able to see that you guys are using the tools appropriately. Okay, that's it for Hlookups. I appreciate it. Any questions, go ahead and post a question to the forum board or give me a call or email me. Thanks a lot.